Hello students, class 10. Let's start our study English. So today is the poem, The Ball Poem. Okay. Sometimes we learn much more means with our parents and elders. Elders always taught us what is right and what we have to do, we should do, but we have no attention about it. And if we will do it practically, if we hurt by that, if we got direct experience, that time we realize we should do these things or not. Okay, same happen in this poem, the ball poem. A ball means, in this poem, a ball is lost by a boy. And because it is so common thing for the childrens, for the boys, means they always played ball and a lot of playing things, they always lost it also. But it have no more cost their parents, and they can purchase new another. But in this poem, poet here expresses that time a boy had lost his ball, and poet want to learn him, realize him what is the importance of ball or anything in the world. Means we should realize and we should be responsible. We should means keep the things properly and we should care on. Okay, these things expresses by the poet in this poem, the ball poem. Okay, we will discuss about it today. What is the ball now? What is the boy now who has lost the ball? Okay, means in these lines, poet here expresses the condition of that boy who has lost his ball. Okay, he was means become very upset and sad because he had seen his ball means bouncing and streaming, means how that ball was coming and how it's thrown by them, and means being sunk inside the river's water. And he always stand there and means watch that harbor where his ball he has lost. Okay, means even their parents, even means poet himself can purchase for him another ball, but this time he wants to learn that boy what is the importance of things, what is the responsibility, and how he should keep things properly, mannerly. These things he want to learn him. And boy got his direct experience because he has lost his own ball in the river. Okay, in this way. And that cost is only not more than 10 cents they can purchase, but they had not purchased that lost ball because he has lost it. And he should learn means what is the sadness and what is the feeling after losing anything, something in the world. If you lost anything in the world, what you feel that time, he wants to teach him that ball. Okay, so he is learning with his disparates, that means what is the responsibility towards the position in the words, things in the words. Okay, and means poet also wants to teach him means how to people stand up and how to stand up with the knowledge of what everyone know one day, means realize one day the importance of things. Okay, it means the sum up of the poem is that poet here want to warn the little boy what is the importance of things, and we should always should be care on it. And he want to stand up that boy with knowledge, means with knowledge of the things importance. Okay, that's all.